Hey, it's Luana, and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. Today's episode is part 3 in our plate lunch series, and we're going to be making Kalua Pig and Cabbage. If you haven't checked out my Instant Pot Kalua Pig recipe, I'll leave it in the link right up above. But without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients you'll need are Kalua Pig, cabbage, shoyu, and Hawaiian rock salt. First, we're going to start by cutting the cabbage in half, and then making sure we take the core out. This part is really tough to eat. Make sure the cabbage is in large pieces because it will wilt down while it cooks. Heat a cup of water on medium-high, and yes, I did forget to mention water at the beginning of the video. I sincerely apologize. And to that water, you're going to add the Kalua Pig. While the Kalua Pig is heating through, you're going to add the shoyu, Hawaiian rock salt, and all the cabbage. This may look like a lot of cabbage, but don't worry, like I said earlier, it will wilt quite a bit. Cover and let all the ingredients come together. You know it's finished when the cabbage is tender. And there you have it, Kalua Pig and Cabbage. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we're in the middle of our plate lunch series, and in next week's episode, we're going to be making my uncle's favorite shoyu chicken. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.